Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon.
In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to add a text box in Word. From the Windows Start menu, select All Programs, then Microsoft Office, and last Microsoft Word 2010 from the Office submenu that appears. This will start Word and open a blank document to start editing. With any document open, place your cursor where you want to insert the text box. Then select the Insert tab from the main menu and select Text Box from the text group of options on the Insert tab. A pop-up window will appear containing pre-formatted choices for adding text boxes. Select whichever text box style from this list that depicts the style of text box you want to add to your document. If you want to draw your own custom-sized text box, select Draw Text Box from the menu that appears as part of the Text Box Chooser pop-up menu. This is how to add a text box in Word.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.